Firstly, go to your Coinbase, log into your account, and then what we're going to do is you can go and click on this pay tab here if you want to, or if you're or you can also like look for Bitcoin. If you're sending Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin page here, and then hit on this transfer option. From the transfer option, select send crypto because we're going to send it to another wallet. So click on send crypto. So what you're going to do now here is paste the address of the external wallet. So whatever the external wallet address that you're going to send it to, just paste it here. Or if you want to add the address as a contact, you can click on add contact and then add the contact details. So you can just fill in the address and the wallet address and everything and hit on save if you want to save the contact. So you can do that. And once you select the contact, you have adding the wallet address, so wherever you want to send it to. Once you're done, and then here select the amount that you wish to continue, so how much Bitcoin you want to transfer. So just type that in, and then once you're done with that, hit on the preview option. You'll get to a similar preview screen like this. So just review everything and hit on send now to complete the transaction, and that's how you send it.